Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Activate.
So these are all members of our crew who got here bright and early this morning to set up the arena. So big up that. And now they're having a little mosh pit. That was so coordinated. These guys know how to, put on a show.
Enabled.
We've got some sort of bit of sheep dragging along behind the pizza. And a lovely grab going on here.
Descending.
From Afterthought. Has cooked in sandy cheeks perfectly. The pit is now open and looking pretty dangerous. I think you need to swing the hammer on him. Oh, there we go. 2 down, it's a 1v1. Pizza and sheep to go. Oh, we've got a lift on the, we've got a lift! Here goes the sheep! Ah, that was great! Big up the sheep for the lift. Oh
6,
no!
5.
We've
4,
got cooked lamb.
3, 2, 1. Seize.
That's a win for pizza. I hope the sheep is okay. That looked pretty smoky.